Gimkit is a fun quiz-based activity website that is free to use. You sign in with your Google account and you can set up classes. When you create a class, all you need to do is go to New Class and then you can pick a custom color, name, and subject. You'll only be able to invite students with a link. At this time, it does not allow you to import from Google Classroom. Once you've created your class, you'll be able to see the members that have joined under the Members tab or any pending invites. Once your class is ready, you're going to go to make a kit. A kit is what Gimkit calls a quiz set or a quiz. You'll see that you have lots of options for importing quizzes from other places, so you can start with a brand new kit by giving it a name, a subject area, and a language. Once you're in, you'll have options to select a custom photo from Unsplash images that can go with your quiz. You'll be able to import from other places. You can also check out a question bank from other Gimkit creators. You can select individual questions from other quizzes that have already been created, which you'll be able to edit, or import an entire quiz into yours. Once you've selected some questions, you'll see the questions that you have, and then you'll say all done. Now you're ready to go ahead and conduct a live session. When you select Play Live, there are 4 gameplay modes. To get started with your students, I suggest Classic mode. Students can work towards an individual goal of making as much money as possible that they can use for power-ups and other fun things, or you can make it competitive. You control many aspects of what students can do. While we do not have a subscription to Gimkit, Gimkit is committed to having their basic version free forever. There is no need to pay for a pro account. Once you've had a live session, you can go in and check analytics, which will help you drive your instruction, or check for students' understanding. Make sure to check out the analytic reports after any sessions that you run.